testing. Yeah, that is very important. Stress testing means that, many of us, we do practice in small time spans like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes, which is not really good because in exam you will have 3 hours. So put yourself under 1 hour and put some 20 MCQs or whatever you are doing and do them in one go. Okay, do them in one go, do them in one sitting. By the way, you know that ACCA exam is 3 hours, which is 180 minutes, and you've got 100 marks. So it means that each mark you have 1.8 minutes. So a 2 marks MCQ, you've got 3.6 minutes. You can consider it 4 minutes approximately. Okay. So in 1 hour, put 20 MCQs or even 15 MCQs, whatever, and then do not respond to your telephone. Do not write down on WhatsApp or on Facebook or anywhere. Focus. You have to enhance, you have to develop your concentration and focus. Okay. You can